Manfrotto 500X Video Kit Review. Proof smooth cinematic movement is worth the upgrade.
Ever watch your own video back and cringe at those jerky, stuttering pans that scream amateur hour? You're not alone. Thousands of creators using mirrorless cameras are stuck wrestling with cheap photo tripods that were never designed for smooth video movement. The shaky transitions, the drifting camera angle mid-shot, the wobbling every time you touch the record button. Your content deserves better. Your audience notices the difference between smooth, cinematic footage and that shaky, unpredictable look that kills credibility. Ready to finally fix this for good? Here's the daily struggle nobody talks about. You're creating content for YouTube, filming corporate interviews, shooting wedding receptions, or documenting your travels, and every single time your tripod fights you. You start a slow pan across the scene, and instead of that buttery, smooth cinematic glide, you get stick-slip jerkiness that ruins the take completely. You carefully frame your shot, lock everything down, and the camera slowly drifts forward because your tripod has zero counterbalance built in. You're shooting vertically for Instagram or TikTok, and you're stuck rigging awkward workarounds with clamps and adapters that feel like they'll collapse any second under pressure. Setup takes forever. Your tripod wobbles on uneven ground. The legs slide apart on smooth floors without warning. You're wasting hours on location fighting your own equipment instead of focusing on your creative vision and storytelling. The mounting pressure? Knowing your footage looks unprofessional compared to creators with proper fluid heads. And you're quietly frustrated because you invested in a great camera, but your support system is sabotaging every shot. Then everything changed when I found the Manfrotto 500X video kit with fluid head and aluminum twin-leg tripod. Here's what actually works. Don't just pick any video tripod. Make sure it has a professional fluid drag system with true counterbalance so you never experience jerky pans and drifting camera angles literally everyone complains about again. This kit bundles the MVH 500X fluid video head, delivering silky smooth 360-degree pans and a massive -70 degrees to +90 degrees tilt range with Manfrotto's proven twin-leg aluminum tripod system that's built for rock-solid stability, not flex or wobble. The 5-kilogram payload capacity handles your mirrorless camera, zoom lens, monitor, and mic without breaking a sweat or sagging. And here's the breakthrough: seamless vertical and horizontal shooting with the hinged quick-release plate, so you're capturing landscape for YouTube and vertical for Reels in the same session without re-rigging anything or switching mounts. The mid-level spreader locks your legs at the perfect angle instantly, preventing slide on smooth surfaces while still working beautifully on uneven terrain outdoors. Setup? Under 60 seconds from bag to rolling footage. The included padded carry bag means your entire professional support system travels as one compact unit. Fast, stable, smooth, versatile. This is the upgrade that transforms shaky footage into content that finally looks as good as your vision deserves. The transformation is real and proven across thousands of shoots. A major photography magazine's lab test confirmed the fluid head offers genuinely smooth pans that belie its price point. Outstanding value for serious video work consistently. Professional gear reviewers consistently highlight the separate pan and tilt drag controls, calling them essential for learning proper cinematic technique from day one. Real wedding videographers report using this kit at over 40 events with zero reliability issues. Smooth ceremony pans, fast reception repositioning, flawless every single time. One independent filmmaker shared, "My thesis project footage looked like it belonged in a much higher budget production thanks to this tripod alone." Corporate video teams equipped entire crews with the 500X because consistent fluid drag means our footage always looks professional regardless of who's behind the camera or their skill level. Even travel content creators praise the lightweight portability and rugged build after a year of constant global use and abuse.
Does a $400 range tripod really compete with $1,000 plus systems? Thousands of professionals already trust it daily, and the cinematic results speak louder than price tags.
Imagine your next shoot. Buttery smooth pans that look effortless and cinematic, camera locked perfectly at any angle without drift or sag, and vertical content captured as easily as horizontal, all with one compact, reliable system that fits in one bag. Join thousands of videographers, YouTubers, wedding filmmakers, and content creators already living this reality with the Manfrotto 500X video kit daily. Your footage deserves professional movement, and this is the proven system that delivers it without the professional price shock or complexity. I've dropped my link in the description and pinned it in the comments. Just click and see for yourself. Your camera's ready. Your tripod should be too. Upgrade your support. Elevate your content today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.